board is hidden in there. I don't have the screwdrivers or anything to open this up for you, but it just shows you that it has the same connectors as you would here. So the HDMI port and the other ports. I do apologize for my extra raspy voice because I caught COVID again. Yay. I don't know if it's COVID or it's just the flu. It might just be the flu because nobody knows or nobody cares about wanting to have some kind of leadership on ending the flu. But yeah, that's what we have today. Anyway, if you guys are big on microcomputers and you love all this stuff that I'm showing you guys on the channel, hopefully we'll have Steve on with the next live stream. He did one, Steve's What's in the Box, which is pretty good, but he'll do more, I'm hoping, and hopefully we can make it a regular thing. Thanks for watching.
Likey.